Right, Needham Market Station. We got Class 5 unit now, passing through on an empty stop move. That's 153322. Working empty stock to Crown Point Depot. Right, we've got a container train bearing down on Needham Market Station, hauled by GB Rail Freight Class 66. Here it comes. Now it's a Freightliner Class 66 by the way. Oh, hey! Nice tone from the driver. Goodness me, where did that Mark III set come from? Blimey, that was an unexpected crossover. Right, we've got the 9:50 service to Ipswich now, arriving into Needham Market Station. On the 17204, on its way to Ipswich. Right, we've got the 0930 service from Norwich to London Liverpool Street now, passing through Needham Market Station. Here it comes. It's got 9006 Roger Ford on the front. DVT 82143 on the rear, en route to London Liverpool Street. Right, we've got another Turbostar unit now, en route from Ipswich to Peterborough, passing through. Now it's 17202, still running around as a 2-coach unit, en route to Peterborough. Right, we've got a Norwich bound Mark III set now, passing through. It's 90003 on the rear, on its way to Norwich. Right, we've got the 1000 service from Norwich to London Liverpool Street now, racing through. There it goes. The DVT A2103 on the rear, en route to London Liverpool Street. He was going along at high speed. Right, we've got 17201, about to depart from Needham Market Station, working the 1052 service to Ipswich. Off it goes. Right, that was a Mark III set en route to London, just past 17201 at Needham Market Station. Going like an absolute rocket. Brilliant. Right, we've got a Turbostar charging along, en route from Peterborough to Ipswich. That's 17270 en route to Ipswich. Right, that is all we got time for, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video and enjoy the rest of your day. Until the next time, goodbye.